Hello everyone. You must have seen in day-to-day life a lot of quite confident speaker, but when they are called on the stage that they have to speak on that topic, on any particular topic without preparation, without having any ideas, then what happens with them? When they are suddenly called on the stage that you have to speak on that topic or for their view, for their opinion, when they are called on the stage, at that time their mind goes blank. It looks like that they are having a nightmare or they have seen a horror movie. Let me tell you guys, it happens with everyone. When you are called for to speak on some topic without any preparation, then it can be a nightmare for you, or it can be a horror movie for you if you are not prepared about that particular topic. Those who are working in the office, or you are a college student or a school student, or whether you are working in any company or any other places, you must have come across a lot of situation, or in any other function, any other party, or any other farewell party or get together, means any other places, when without having some knowledge, or like you will be called there. If suddenly you are called there on the stage and someone tells you that you have to speak on that particular topic, at that very moment, what happens with you? It feels like, oh my God, what I have to say, I don't know how to reply. So I am here with you to tell you how to reply without having preparation. If you are not prepared about that particular topic, so how to confront them and how to confront the audience. If you don't want to create any mess, or if you don't want to behave like I have seen a nightmare or horrorful movie, and you don't want to be a laughing stock on the stage, then be with me, watch till the end. I am going to tell you means a very smartful, or you may say a very useful ideas. Today I am going to tell you some tips which will be helpful for you when you will be called on the stage. So the first thing you need to tell when you are on the stage, that is, you may start from the greetings. Like means you will have to act according to the times. Good evening, good morning, or whatever it is. Thereafter, after greetings to the audience or the guest or whatever the people are there, the second thing you have to do is that you have to talk about the topic. But how you will start? See, what happens is that it is quite easy that we can greet. Yes, greeting is quite easy. But what is the second? How to start? How to start is the most important thing. So you may say that thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak on that topic. But it's quite easy and it's natural. We all say that yes, first step is easy, that we have to greet. Second step, that you may say that thanks for giving. What next? When exactly we have to start from that topic. So how we will start? How we will start about that particular topic? Yes, you may start from like as far as the topic is concerned. For example, if you have to say about if you have to say the extempore speech topic is that like which is most important for us, success or happiness. So you may start from any other quotation which is related with the happiness or success. Or you may start from any other phrases like I would like to say about that, or I would like to start or begin with that topic with this quotation. मैं इस quotation के साथ start करना चाहूँगा. Or you may start from any other thing. You may say like as far as the topic is concerned, or as far as the success is concerned, जहाँ तक success का सवाल है, जहाँ तक इस happiness का सवाल है, as far as the topic is concerned. Or you may say as we know that. So these are best tips to create or to take your extempore speech to the next level. You may start from saying like that. No, nothing like that when we come on the stage and suddenly we need to behave like what we should do. You may start from this as far as the topic is concerned. Or I would like to start with that, or I would like to start with that quotation. You may say that एज फार एज माई लिटिल नॉलेज इज कंसर्न, जहां तक मेरी लिटिल नॉलेज का सवाल है, एज फार एज माई लिटिल नॉलेज इज कंसर्न, और यू मे से दैट इट इज बिलीव दैट, or it is said that, means it is believed that, you may start from quotation if it is related with a topic, particular topic. If it is not related with a particular topic, so you may say that it is believed that, means you start from the, if you have some knowledge about that topic, so you may start from the past, that what was the past of that topic. Means if we are talking about success, that earlier the people were not so curious about the success, what they have no more dealing with the success, they have only one dealing, or they have only thing that they have to do with the happiness. If we are happy, they consider themselves to be successful. But now, in a days where we are living in a technological age, or in such type of economical age, it is quite difficult for us to be happy without having success. If you will be successful, definitely you will be happy. So you may start from like that if you have knowledge. But yeah, in some other cases it happens like that. If you have no more knowledge, you may say that. At first, I would like to say that, or firstly, I would like to say that. In such type of manner, you may start. It is said that, or it is believed that. Where I want to clear that, or you may start from question also. Question means asking question is the best way to start the speech. Yes, you may start the speech from asking question. Since what is your opinion, my dear audience? What do you think? I think that, मुझे लगता है, or I believe that, you in this manner you may start. Like personally, I believe that happiness, it is related with our state of mind. So in this way you may start. If you are in a farewell party, or in any other party, or in any get together, or in office, if you have to give presentation, or any other places, however, you must act according to the topic. How the topic is related, you must go, or you must flow with the topic. You must talk about the past. What is the past? You must talk about the present, and you must talk about the future. In future, what it will be, because topic it may vary from, means it is not necessarily, it may be social topic, political issues, or some other issues. So you will have to act according to the topic. But you must ask, or you must start your speech by asking question. You may relate with some other thing. So in this way, means it will be easy for you to don't do, means it is not necessary to behave like this, that where we are, what I should do at this time when you are called on the stage. Don't behave like this, I don't know anything. No need to say like that. You may start from, as far as the topic is concerned, well, I would like to say that in this way you may start. So it will be easy for you to tell them, or to engage the audience in your speech. If you want to create like a spellbound, or you may say a mesmerizing speech, then you must relate with the audience. That what is your opinion? Maybe my opinion, it varies from person. So in this way, it will be an engaging speech. Or audience, they will relate with you. They will be mesmerized by your speech. One more point is that when you are engaging with your audience with your speech, you must relate that, you must start with your speech like that, why it happens, what is the reason behind it. In this way, you may take your speech to the another level. Like why it happens, why there is a belief system, why there is a reason behind it, means of all such happenings. Being a teacher, means if you are a teacher, if you have to present yourself, or if you being a father, if you are in a, like if there is a get together, or if you are in a, what do we call it, like if you are going in a college, or in a school, if you are a father or teacher or brother or sister, if you are presenting your brother or sister, so you may say that being a father or being a mother, if you have gone there to take their admit card, so you may consult like as far as the topic is concerned, or in this way you may start. It is nothing like that I am quite confident or what, yeah, but if you will work on that, definitely it will be easy for you to engage the audience, and to speak on that topic in a very engaging way, in a very arranging order. Means you may organize your thoughts. By saying you may organize your thoughts. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.